Aman, you look tense today. Is everything okay or not?
No, sir. I'm having trouble in understanding English grammar. I'm unable to understand English grammar, and there are so many topics I'm unable to understand. What should I do?
Oh, that's all right. Tell me one thing, like which part is confusing you? Which is the topic in which you are unable to understand? Tell me one.
Sir, the topic is since or for. Yes, sir. I'm getting literally confusing. When I speak something in English, then I'm unable to understand and I'm unable to use since and for. What is the use of since and for? I don't know.
Oh, Aman, that's common. Oh, okay, I will tell you something about it. First of all, tell me, do you know the basic rule of since and for? Do you know something about it?
Yes, sir. I know that since is used for time and for is also used for time.
Oh, Aman, it's true. They both are used for time, but there is simple difference between since and for, and you will have to understand it. Since is used for fixed point time, and for is used for duration of the time. Simple.
Okay, sir. Thank you. But can you give me some examples so that I can understand easily?
Oh, of course, Aman, I can give you examples. First, since I have lived here since 2015, so it means 2015 is the fixed point and since is used for fixed point. Okay, let's come for a for. For is used for I have lived here for 10 years. 10 years is the duration of the time. It is not fixed. Which 10 years? Last 10 years or last 10 years? You don't know. This is the simple difference between since and for.
Oh yes, sir. That actually makes sense now.
Now it's your time to make sentences on since and for. Make sentences.
Okay, sir. I have been studying English since Monday, and I have been studying English for 2 hours.
Wow, great performance, Aman. Hence, see, you are improving.
Thank you, sir. Bye.